friends, this is Souramita. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are staying safe and healthy. It's day 15 today of the pen shading series of a girl dancing, and for those who are directly watching this video, I would suggest you to watch my previous 14 videos in this series and the outline tutorial also. Links are given in the description box. You can see the pen has changed because I lost the previous one, but this one is of the same type. Only the color of the body is different. Otherwise the brand is same. Shadingটা gradually lighted to darker tones shade করতে হবে. For that you just need to increase the pressure at the tip of your pen and बहुत धीरे धीरे करना है. For reference image you can check out the link in description. I prefer shading layer-wise for obtaining smooth texture. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and bell icon e click korte bhulbe na. Like and share the video and comment your questions. I'll certainly try to answer them. And please subscribe my shorts channel also. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I'm adding details gradually while shading layer-wise, so watch the video till end and you also have to do the same. loving the results. See you in the next video. Bye.